Alright, so in this video we're gonna replace the screen protector on iPhone 14 Pro with this glass. They're easy fit 2-pack by Spigen. I haven't really tried this. First time that I'm replacing a screen protector on with the spigen brand. Also first time on iPhone. So I'll open it at the back. So yeah, this is what's inside. So we got, this is the card to push the bubbles, some papers, and then 2 screen protectors, and this is the one that I will use. So what will happen is I just need to put this here, and then I just need to press my finger in the middle. But the iPhone is not flat for some reason. I'm gonna need to get a mat. Okay, so I have the mouse mat now. So it's not that shaky. Well, it's a bit shaky if I press on the left. Alright, so this is the manual instructions. So first we have to clean the screen. So I'll just get, there's 2 of the wipes. Cloth. Okay, sticker. Just need 1. Paperwork. So I'll just need, okay, step 1, clean it. So this is the cleaning. So it's just wet wipes. Try to smell it. It just smells like alcohol. Alright, this one is the real display now. Alright, there's a lot of dust, dirt, and a bit of sand. Remove that. I can use it as well at the back, like on the camera lens. So try to wipe off the dust. Alright, so the next step really depends. If your room is dusty like mine, like particles are flying, I would suggest for you to get like a LED light so you can see clearly if some dust is here. Definitely we cannot see that easily in the camera. So we're gonna use the sticker, and then we will do is like that. So the dust will go on the sticker film. I mean, it's so annoying because every time I do this, another drop of dust falls into my display again. So it's it's like I have to be quick in removing the dust and then making sure I can apply. Okay, the next step is just peel off the back. Just say at the back here, and this one says stop. By the way, I already turned off the phone as well because you don't want it to be lighting up when you pick it up, so you have to shut down your phone when doing this. Okay, some dust particles is already going into the display again, so it's so annoying. Alright, moving on to the next step. Oops. So remove back. Oh, what? Hold on, I can't peel it off. Okay, got it. So just remove this sticker here, just like that. And then again, I'll try to remove some dust particles. That again, there's particles everywhere. Alright, I think I'm good. Now I'll align it. Okay, once it's aligned, just press in the middle and we should see it pressing in. Alright, just keep doing that until all of the bubbles are occupied. Alright, I'll check. How do we check? Oh, it says remove here. Okay, so there's a peel tab here. What? It's kind of hard to remove that. Ooh, it has a bubble. I have a bubble, or I don't have a bubble. Right. That is done. It's perfectly aligned. I don't see any bubbles. Try to do the wet wipes again. Alright, perfect. So I think there's a bit of dust here, like in the middle, or a smudge, I don't know, or maybe from the sticker. But either way, the glass, yeah, it looks legit. Oops. Yeah, I think I can live with this. Yeah. Okay, I'll try to turn on the phone. I'll put the case back, camera first here, and Alright, so yeah. Well, there's still smudges. My fingerprint still goes all over the screen. But yeah, it's a lot better than the previous screen protector. Alright, that's it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. Cheers.